Hello everyone. Welcome to Miss Rati's English class where we learn to read and write in English. I hope you are all well and ready to start our lesson. So before we start our lesson, let's talk about the class rules. You need to be on time, okay? And I want you to sit properly. You can choose the way you want to sit. And then I want you to have your pencil, your crayons, and your notebook because we are going to draw and write. Okay, I want you to listen attentively, no shouting, no playing, or no fidgeting, right? You need to pay attention so that you can learn. All right. So today we are going to learn these two letters, the O, all right? The double O. And this digraph makes the oo sound. And we say, we are going to start. We have the double O sound, but we have the long and the short one. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about the long oo sound. Then in the next one, we are going to learn about the short oo sound, all right? So can you see here? You need to shape your mouth like this. Okay, you make a small round circle. Can you try to do that? And make the oo sound. Oo sound. Oo sound. Okay, so I want you now to listen to the following words and see if you can hear the oo sound. Okay, moon, spoon, shoot, pull, roots, zoom. Okay, you hear the oo sound, right? So these are our learning objectives. By the end of our lesson, I want you to be able to identify and say the long oo sound, to read and write words with the long oo sound, and then to read and write sentences. Now here I have some objects with long oo sound. Okay, can you see this one? What is this? Moose, okay? And then this one, school. And here we have food, okay? And the last one, we have the zoo. Okay, so do you like to go to school? Yes, I want to go to school. Do you like to eat some food? Yes, I like to eat some food. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. And can you see the moose? Yes, I can see it. It's over here. And what is this one? Where we can find so many animals. What is the name of that place? It's called a zoo. Let's go to the zoo. Have you ever been to a zoo? Yes. I know. It's an yes. So now let's try to read words with the long oo sound and see if we can do that. All right, so we have what is this? Yes, very good. Now, I'm going to say the sound, then you will do the next one. Oo, moon. Oo, moon. Okay, moon. And this one, can you say the sound? We did this one, right? And this, z, oo, zoo, z, oo, zoo. Very good. You can pause the video and read again one more time. Then the next one, okay, you can see on the picture, and then let's say the sound. Yes, yes. So what is the word? Look. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes. Very good. What is the word? All right. Let's read together. U, pull. U, pull. Okay. The next one, can you say the sound? Yes. 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 What is the word? Very good. One more time. Yes. 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 What is the word? Wow, nice. Let's read it together. U, room. U, room. Very good. This is a living room. Next one. Can you say the sound? Yes. Yes. What is the word? Oh, beautiful. One more time. Yes. Yes. Very good. Now let's read it together. U, f, roof. U, f, roof. Okay, so this is the roof. Okay, the next one, can you say the sound? Yes. Yes. What is the word? Okay, one more time. Yes. Yes. Good. Now let's read it together. Food. 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 I like to eat food. Okay. Next one. All right. Can you say the sound? Yes. Good. So what is the word? Okay, one more time. Yes. What is the word? Okay, now let's read it together. U, t, root. U, t, root. Okay. And this one? Yes. Good. Yes. Yes. And what is the word? Wow, nice. Nice. Let's read together. Z, u, zoom. Z, u, zoom. Root, zoom. Very good. Okay, so now we are going to write words. So I need to cover all the words, right? So that no one is going to copy. I want you to pause the video and draw the 4 pictures. After drawing the 4 pictures, can you write the words? I am giving you a go to write the words without my help. Can you try? I will tell you the names, okay? So for this one, can you write the word root? Root. And here, pool. Pool. For this one, food. Food. And here, room. Room. All right, but if you need my help, let's do together. Let's write the words together. Go to this picture, and then I want you to write u, t. root. R-U-T, root. Then here, pool. P-U-L, pool. P-U-L, pool. Good. And for this one, I want you to write F-U-D, food. F-U-D, food. And the last one, room. R-U-M, room. R-U-M, room. Okay. You can pause the video and finish your words, right? And then when you are done, we do the self-assessment. I will show you what we're supposed to write. Okay. R-U-T, root. The next one, P-U-L, pool. Did you write like that? Please, please, please. If not, then do your corrections. I will show you all the words, then you can pause the video and do your corrections, right? It's still okay. And here it's F-U-D, food. F-U-D, food. And the last one, R-U-M, room. R-U-M, room. Okay, so pause the video, do your corrections. When you are done, we will do sentence writing. So we are going to write our sentences. Okay, I want you to draw the roof like this one or anyhow you want. And then we are going to write the sentence, the roof is red. Can you see what color is the roof? It is red, right? So that's what we are going to write only. The roof is red. So for our sentence to be correct, you need to start with your capital letter, please. Capital T, 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 T. Okay? And then where there is a line, write the word roof. Do not draw the line. Okay? No lines, no lines. Okay? Don't draw the lines. Just write the word roof. That's it. And finger space is finger space R-A-D, red. And your full stop. Can you do that? You can pause the video, draw the roof, and write your sentence. The roof is red. So here we are combining reading and writing. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Draw your zoo with your animals, your favorite animals. You draw your own animals, okay? No need to copy these ones. Just draw your own animals in the zoo. Now, I want you to see here, we are introducing something here. This is a question mark. When you see this one, it means you are writing a question, not just an ordinary sentence, but it's a question which needs an answer. Okay. This sign here means you are asking and you want a response. So what is the sentence all about? Can we read together? Can I go to the, what is this? Zoo. Very good. Can I go to the zoo? You are asking. Maybe you are asking your mom, Mom, can I go to the zoo? You are waiting for your mommy to say, yes, you can go, or no, we will go tomorrow. Okay, right? So now you are going to write your question. Start with your capital K, K. Can I go to the zoo? Here you are going to write the word zoo, and I want you to write the question mark. Okay, just practice to write the question mark. Okay, and please don't forget your finger space. Okay, you can pause the video and then you write your sentence, because this sentence is a bit long, right? It has so many words, and also it has a question mark which you need to practice to write. So you can pause the video and practice to write it. Okay, and then when you are done, we go to this one. You draw your moon, and then you are going to write, look at the moon. Look at the moon. So your capital look. Can you see u k? Look. Look at the moon. Okay, so now it's easy to read this word. So your capital and then your finger space and the word moon. Where there is a line, you need to write the word moon. Moon, and your full stop. This one is not a question, so there is no question mark. Only our question mark is here, and in the coming lessons we are also going to write more questions so that we can have more practice to write the question mark. All right, so you can pause the video and try to write all the sentences. When you are done, you come here for your self-assessment, just to check if you did the correct thing. Now let's see. The roof is red. Capital T, T. Then finger space. And the word, oh my goodness, which word is supposed to be red? The word roof, right? This word is supposed to be red, because that was our missing word. And this one is supposed to be in black. So I will just fix it for you now. Okay. So the roof is red. Now it's okay. And then we go to the next one. Can I go to the zoo? Can I go to the zoo, please? All right. Now this is a question, and we put our question mark here. Now I want you to check, did you write a capital letter, and did you put your finger spaces all the way? And here we do not put a full stop, but we write a question mark because it's a question. We are asking for permission. Okay, can I go to the zoo? Yes, you can, or no, you cannot. All right. Now the next one, which is our last sentence, look at the moon. Capital. Look, finger space, and the word moon. Moon. Look at the moon. Now pause the video and check. If you need to do some corrections, you can pause the video and just do your corrections. Then we will go to the next slide. I want you to say the oo sound. Shape your mouth. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Very good. Now, can you name 5 objects with a long oo sound? Where are the objects? Do we have them here? I'll just show you. Okay, you can name any 5 from these ones. All right, but I want you to practice to name them without checking here. So what you can do is you pause the video and try to name, and also try to look around your house. Do you have these things with the long oo sound? You can pick them, you can describe them. That's great. Okay, and then I want to keep to draw and write words with the long oo sound. So you can draw the zoo, try to write the word zoo without copying. You can draw your roof, okay, and then try to write the word roof without copying. You can draw your swimming pool. Yes, if you have a swimming pool, you can draw it and then try to write the word pool, and you can also draw your favorite food and try to write the word food by yourself without copying. That's what I want you to practice to do. And also try to practice to write sentences without copying. Right? You can say, look at the, then you draw something. Look at the zoo. You can write, I have a room. This is my room. You draw your bedroom and you can write, this is my bedroom. Can you see that? That's what I want you to practice. Okay, so I want to say great job to everybody and thank you for joining our session. It was so lovely to have you in this session. I want to encourage you to keep on studying English, because if you keep on studying, you will end up being the very best student, okay? You will be able to read and write anything in English. So you need to keep on practicing. Practice makes things perfect. Okay, thank you so much. And don't forget to click the like button and the subscribe button, please. Okay, so that when I post another lesson, you get your notification and you will be the first one to watch it. Okay, isn't it great? Yes, it's great. Okay, so I want to say thank you so much. Take care. Know that Miss Ratty loves you. See you again in the next session. And please, I forgot to tell you something. For handwriting practice, click on the shorts, choose the letters that you are struggling to write. Watch the videos and do more handwriting practice. Miss Rat wants everybody to be able to write all the letters with correct formation. Okay. So that's it from Miss Ratty. Thank you. Goodbye.